Hi everybody, today we're with Karina. What's his name?
Jelle.
Jelle, our crazy Jelle dog. Karina just purchased a property here in Lunigiana, starting a renovation. There are a couple surprises, which I'm not going to let you in on. We're just going to go see them. We have lots of questions. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay,
Let's
she's
go.
ready. Okay, let's go.
It needed a complete new roof. Quite an investment.
Yes.
And it was abandoned, so start point was 0.
So you literally fell in love with this abandoned building.
Yes.
Okay, and you have a vision for it.
Yes,
Okay.
very clear vision.
You're right on an olive grove.
Yeah, it comes with the house.
Oh, so you have an olive grove.
And I can walk 10 minutes through the olive grove and then I go out and to the little village.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Fivizzano is right down there. You can walk down like in 10 minutes.
Yeah, 15.
15 minutes, which is very
Correct.
cool. This is a great little area. I love this area. Do you have a time frame for this? Are you building it like the way we did La Fortezza's? We sort of did it in sections so that we could live in it first.
It's more or less the same because it's quite big and I really have to learn her. I call it a her, an old lady.
That's true. That's a good point.
And I want to protect her from, as I call it, from plastic surgery or whatever. I just want to bring her up again in the way she was 400 years ago. So it takes time. It takes time to feel what she needs, and also with I have a very nice Geometra, very important. You know, also the budget, because
Yes, right.
you
So you do
simply
it bit by-
can't do it.
Yes,
at
you
once.
do it bit by bit by bit. I'm with you. I like
Right.
doing it over a period of time.
Yeah.
This is going to be so fun for entertaining right here.
Yeah.
And then you can have a big table out there in the olive grove too.
Yes, the pool will just be behind the terrace. So this will be more or less from the Soggiorno.
Right.
It will be. It was officially a little church, an inside church for the people who lived in this area. When I found it, it was totally overgrown with bamboo. I couldn't even see it. I
Really?
didn't know it was existing.
But when you saw it, you were like, oh, this is fantastic.
Yes. This will be living room.
Okay.
A small one though. It has an arch, a very old arch.
Oh,
This
I see
will
that,
be
yeah.
open when we use the normal front entrance. With a little step we come here, so the 2 rooms will be one.
Gotcha. Okay.
This house is built like all the houses, I think, in parts. So the older building is here, and we will open this and then you will enter the kitchen.
So your kitchen is here.
Yes.
That looks good for a kitchen.
That looks good for a kitchen. Huh?
It's great.
When we finally took the bamboo away, this was all prepared for chickens and taquinos, for
Okay. Turkeys.
turkeys. A little bit of imagination, of course, is
Well,
necessary.
a lot of imagination. Let's just say that. So you're going to put the pool there, the terrace here.
Oh, just behind, and then you can walk from here, you can walk to the pool.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be incredible. So this is going to be
Entrance.
an entrance.
Then you see the
And
arch.
that's the archway. Okay, perfect. I could see why you fell in love with it. This really like gets me excited. I'm like, let's buy another one. This is a vision, and this is not for the faint of heart. I like to say it's for really gutsy people to just say, yeah, this is gonna be the entrance. I see it. It's great.
Yeah.
I mean, then that's the archway that you showed me on the
Yes.
other side.
Yes, so this will be one space.
Oh my God.
Then we go to the terrace.
This is like my heroin. It really is. It's like my crack. This is what like gets me excited.
Yeah, we took all the ceilings out and we kept the wood, of course.
Okay, so that's the thing. You know, when I'm walking around houses and I'm saying things like, what's above this? You know, people are always like, why is she always saying that? It's because this can be above. And then you're like, why did they cover it up? What were they thinking? It's so beautiful. It just needs a little love, and then it's just...
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Oh my God, I love this so much. I'm so excited for you. Like my heart is just palpitating. This is like, I'm just like I want to faint, it's so good.
The door will be a little bit more to the right because there will be a baño, a toilet under the stairs because we don't have space for putting a
toilet under the stairs. Door will move a little bit, so it'll just be sort of a, you know, decorative holding area that she'll put fabulous things.
I bought a huge olive pot at Claudio's, so it will probably just be in the middle, and that's it.
And that's it. Oh my gosh. My crush continues. And then this will be the kitchen.
Yes.
And it's perfect for kitchen.
Yes, it's still very dark, but they are digging at the other side of the house, and there will be a door.
This is such a job that if you don't have the guts to do it, you know, just you saying, oh yeah, they're just digging on the other side. You know, it's like, that's how I am. This is a serious, like, stomach-wrenching kind of project. I mean, because you really are making very big decisions, and it's an expensive project, so you're making sure that you're making the right decisions. Yeah. And now she's saying, oh, I didn't realize. Now I'm freaked out.
No.
Now this is amazing. And this will be an incredible kitchen. It'll be so charming.
Yes.
Are you just working with your Geometra, or are you working with an architect as well? Both?
Well, he's both.
He's both, okay.
He's both. He's coming from La Spezia.
Okay.
And I have a Dutch friend, he's also an architect.
Yeah.
So and we work together.
Yeah, I think that's very important too to have.
Yeah. I will show you upstairs.
Yeah, it's a massive project.
It's a massive project. Be careful here.
Okay. Be careful.
This won't change.
Oh my gosh. This is so an Annette project. I'm so glad I came. No wonder you fell in love with this. Yeah, Franco de Gaulle is a real no for me.
The original ceiling was here.
Okay, so this is again why I'm always saying, let's just take the whole thing out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's gorgeous. So you're gonna let all the raw surfaces sort of speak for themselves. It'll be sort of Spartan, stark, but all beautiful, very picked pieces. Yeah. Okay, because I get that from you just by looking at you, like how you pick things. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what to say. This is so cool. I mean, I could see why she fell in love with it. It has great, great bones. This is quite the project you've taken on. This room is fab. Oh, this is so good. This is going to be so good.
This is a small room. We will take out the window and the stone and bring it in, so there will be an office and a little balcony to separate the two buildings.
So is it too early to ask if you'll marry me?
It's too early.
It's too early.
Well, the family lived upstairs when I bought it. That was a sitting room, this was kitchen, one
so
bedroom
you've
and a
ripped
bathroom.
this completely to shreds.
Yeah, and everything was still in. The beds, the mattresses,
yeah, so you just took
the lingerie, everything.
Right, you said go and I'm just going to barrel through it with a bulldozer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
My
we took
kind
all the ceilings
of lady.
out because this was all low.
She took all the ceilings out. I always say that when I go through houses, I'm like, just take it out. You don't need it.
I did it myself with my nephew. Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So in Italy, they write on your walls when you're talking. It's so crazy. So this was their kitchen.
This was their kitchen. There's still the old sink.
So you're going to keep the old sink, of course.
Yeah, we'll take it out. It will not be a kitchen. It will be a bedroom, and you can sleep down and up. So it's both.
Oh, so it'll be like a bunk bed.
A little bit like you have.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, like a little loft kind of thing. Very cool. And this is your bedroom. Holy moly.
There will be a bathroom over there.
Here, okay. Oh.
So it will be my
Oh my God,
apartment.
yeah, your bathroom's great. And your view.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The whole roof was off and they lifted 50 centimeters because you couldn't walk here because of the beam. So we reused all old beams, but everything is lifted. And there is a new roof on top of the old roof.
The functional roof is on top of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you know, this is a get your checkbook situation, but what you're describing is everybody's very much their fantasy of just bulldozing through a house, or definitely mine.
There was still hay when I bought it, and the floor was very bad. You couldn't walk here. So there's a new floor underneath.
When you buy a property like this, everything underneath, all the sub-construction is very, very important. You know, the fantasies, you look in the magazine, you see the barn and it's all been reconstructed, but what people don't understand is that the real investment and the real money is in making everything function and secure and well constructed. All of that underpinning of the house. That's where the big money is, where you're getting a crane and scaffolding. We're talking tens of thousands of euros just before you even think about decorating anything. It's gonna be a stunning bedroom because she's got stunning taste. I can see it. Oh, wow. So this is where the muka was, right?
Yes.
This is where they ate.
Yes.
The cows were here.
Yep. I also like to paint, and I also like to make art.
So this will be your studio?
Studio.
Okay, that sounds good.
This has the new roof. We were just standing on it.
Right.
And I would like to leave it as it is. This is very old.
I mean, I wouldn't take it out. It's too cool. So here's a surprise about Karina. She told me this and I was like, oh, we have to come by and film you. She's living on site in like a geodome. It's like a geodome, is that what it is?
Yeah.
So why don't you take us back and show us this incredible, which we're gonna Airbnb, and I'm gonna make her not take it down, and you're just gonna rent it. I mean, I would rent it in a second. It's beautiful. All right, so let's go back and see how she's come up with her solution for where she's living while she's here. So this is where she lives.
This is where I live. Come in.
This is her yurt. It's so cool.
Well, it's just because I was in the tent rental business. I just found it and I thought I'd take it. So we put everything in trailer. We put it together, the three of us.
Okay, God.
Last year.
I just love her. This is awesome.
Well, behind you is a shower.
Oh my gosh, you are wild. So she has a shower right there. I mean, how cool is this? This is like so cool. Oh my God. Oh, this is so cool. I've never seen anything like it, and I've seen a lot of stuff.
Well, this one I brought from the Netherlands, and this one I found in the house.
You found this in the house? And so you're like, let's put a shelf here? I don't even know what to say about this. This is so cool.
I just bring
I want to move in here. Oh, this is so nice the way you furnished it. Oh, I can hardly wait for you to finish your house and see what you do. I mean, the inside of her house is going to be amazing. It's really beautiful.
Oh,
so this is what she's created for herself, yes?
Yeah.
You might not even want to move into your house. You'll be like, this is so wonderful.
It's true. I didn't know it was so wonderful.
So you put this together and you were like, oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah.
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 Wow, I love that. Thank you, Karina. This was magical for me. I don't know what it was like for you, but for me it was magical. This project is incredible. I know you're going to pull it off and it's going to be gorgeous. I can hardly wait to see it. I'm so glad we're friends now. We might be married the next time you see us together. And thank you, Yellow, too. This was really fun. So what is your timeline on this?
I think about 2 years.
Okay, so we'll be back in 2 years. It's a date.
It's a date.
I'll bring the wine and we'll tour this beautiful house because I know she's going to do an amazing job. If you've gotten this far, which you should have because this is incredible, like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. And yeah, peace.
Bye.